Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to cover the PROVIA film simulation. And this is actually the default film simulation that comes with your Fujifilm camera. As soon as you unbox your camera, turn it on, it's going to be set at the PROVIA standard simulation setting. So I went out this morning, went for another walk around the city, still kind of cold. I tried to get up a bit earlier to catch the sunrise, but I kind of missed it. But it was actually really good. I caught a couple of shots of the sun kind of coming up, nice purple and pinks. But the rest was kind of missed the most spectacular part. But these photos that I'm going to show you, they were taken using the PROVIA standard setting. So when you're, like I said, when you're unboxing and opening your Fuji camera, this is the standard film simulation. Definitely a basically run-of-the-mill, nothing crazy vibrant colors like with the Velvia simulation, and nothing really saturated, like, you know, with the saturated colors like the Pro Neg, some of those ones. So just a good all-round kind of base photos, basically photo and look and color. So hopefully you like these photos. Let me know what one you do like in the comments. It's always appreciated. There's a few to look at, so hopefully you enjoy. So what do you think about PROVIA? Not necessarily the most, like, it kind of is, it is what it is. I know a lot of people on the channel, they have their favorite film simulations. A lot of ones that I use a lot of times, or some of the recipes. Kodachrome recipe I like a lot for out shooting on the street. And some of the classic Neg looks good as well. I haven't really used PROVIA as much, and the photos, as you see from the colors, it's kind of like, okay, yeah, it's nice, but I like some of the other film simulations a lot better. That's just my personal preference. You may love PROVIA. Let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you are considering a Fuji camera and have any questions, always let me know in the comments down below. If you are new to the Fuji system as well, let me know if you have questions about your camera, a certain function, certain feature. I'll be more than happy to answer it in an upcoming video if I haven't done it already. Chances are I have done a lot of Fuji camera videos on this channel, so check back the past catalog, do a little search if you're looking for something in particular. I may have already covered it. If I haven't, let me know in the comments below. Always happy to help. Thanks again for watching, and another big shout out to all the subscribers to the channel. It's pretty awesome to see it keep growing. It is over 4,000 subscribers now. When I started this channel, I never thought I'd have 1,000. It just keeps going up. So I appreciate everybody's likes, comments, subscribes, and for sharing the channel. If you have friends that may find this useful, by all means, please share it. It always helps the channel grow. Great community here with the Fujifilm community. It's a lot of fun to kind of do these videos. It's fun to kind of share my photos in a different way other than on Instagram. I am on Instagram. You can find that link down below, but it's kind of fun to do it a little bit different and have everybody's comments on the videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the weekend, everybody.